Ever recorded a crisp video on your phone, uploaded it to Instagram or YouTube Shorts, and it came out looking like a blurry mess? Or worse, you try to share a gameplay clip on Discord and it says, "File too large, 10 megabytes limit." The problem isn't your video, it's the format and resolution. And the fix is dumb simple. You don't need expensive software or a subscription. Why your videos look low quality and how to fix it. Here's what happens. Social platforms and messaging apps aggressively compress your video. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube all encode uploads, and if your source video isn't optimized, the result is grainy, blocky, and embarrassing. The fix? Convert your video to proper 1080p HD before uploading. And the best part, you can do it online, for free, with 0 watermarks. Free online HD converter versus the alternatives. Quick reality check. Other free online converters either slap a watermark on your video, force you to create an account, or require you to download heavy software that takes 10 minutes just to set up. This one, upload, adjust, download. No account, no watermark, no install. Let me show you. This is the page. Just drag and drop. No sign up. No email. It starts processing instantly. Step 1. Upload your video first. Go to the website and click Upload Video. Select any file, MP4, MOV, AVI, WebM, whatever you have. The free version handles files up to 50 megabytes, perfect for short clips, reels, and social media posts. Step 2. Adjust resolution and quality. Click the gear icon, Settings. Here's what you change. Resolution change to 1080p. Quality select high. And frame rate keep the same as your source. That's it. Close the settings and you're ready to convert. Step 3. Convert and download. Click Save. The tool processes it in seconds. Once done, the button change to free download. Click it and your fresh HD 1080p video is saved. Let's see the difference. Before on the left, after on the right. Look at the sharpness. No watermark. Clean 1080p. 3 real situations where this tool saves you. Use case 1. Social media. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts all perform better with native 1080p uploads. Convert your clip to 1080p HD MP4 before uploading and watch the quality difference. Plus, sharper thumbnails mean more clicks. It's a win-win. Use case 2. Messaging apps. Discord has file size restrictions. WhatsApp compresses everything to 480p. The trick? Convert your video to 720p HD. It's still HD quality, but half the file size. Lower the resolution slider to 720p under Settings, Convert, and it'll fly through any file size limit. Use case 3. Fix playback issues. Got an MKV or WebM file that won't play on your iPhone, iPad, or smart TV? Convert it to MP4 with H.264, the universal codec that plays literally everywhere. While you're at it, bump the resolution to 1080p. Your TV will thank you. When you need the desktop version. The free online tool is incredible for short clips, but there's a catch: 50 megabytes file size limit. If you're working with longer videos, batch files, or want AI upscaling, you need the desktop version. Here's when to upgrade. 1. Your video is over 50 megabytes. Desktop handles unlimited size. 2. You need AI upscaling. Takes low-res footage and intelligently reconstructs details. 3. Batch converting multiple files. Load your entire folder and convert overnight. The download link is right on the page. And the best part, it's a 30-day free trial. You can test everything before buying. So here's the bottom line. If your videos look fuzzy on social media, if your files are too big for messaging apps, or if you just want crisp 1080p HD quality without paying a dime, use this tool. Link is in the description. Free, no watermark, no sign up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you next time.